Welcome to AIM SSLC Facilitator. In this video, we are discussing about a new chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words tri, gon, metron. Tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means measure. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the study of relationships between the sides and angles of a triangle. Early astronomers used trigonometry to find out the distances of the stars and planets from the Earth. Even today, most of the technologically advanced methods used in engineering and physical sciences are based on trigonometrical concepts. In this chapter, we will study some ratios of the sides of the right triangle with respect to its acute angles called trigonometric ratios of the angle. We will also define the trigonometric ratios for angles of measure 0 degree and 90 degree. We will calculate trigonometric ratios for some specific angles and establish some identities involving these ratios called trigonometric identities. First, let us know about trigonometric ratios. Consider the right triangle ABC. Here, angle B equals 90 degree. Hence, the sum of the remaining angles is equal to 90 degree. That is, angle A plus angle C equals 90 degree. Since the sum is 90 degree, individually these are less than 90 degree. Hence, angle A and angle C are acute angles. In a right triangle, the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. Here, angle B equals 90 degree. Hence, its opposite side AC is the hypotenuse. Now I am considering the angle A. With respect to angle A, BC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side. Here we are having hypotenuse, opposite side and adjacent side. If we take the ratios of these three sides, we get opposite by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by opposite, adjacent by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by adjacent, opposite by adjacent, and adjacent by opposite. The ratio opposite by hypotenuse is named as sin A, that is sine of angle A. With respect to angle A, opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Hence, sin A is equal to BC by AC. The ratio adjacent by hypotenuse is named as cos A, that is cosine of angle A. With respect to angle A, adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Hence, cos A is equal to AB by AC. The ratio opposite by adjacent is named as tan A, that is tangent of angle A. With respect to angle A, BC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side. Hence, tan A is equal to BC by AB. The ratio hypotenuse by opposite is named as cosec A, that is cosecant of angle A. With respect to angle A, AC is the hypotenuse and BC is the opposite. Hence, cosec A is equal to AC by BC. The ratio hypotenuse by adjacent is named as secant A, that is secant of angle A. With respect to angle A, AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the adjacent side. Hence, secant A is equal to AC by AB. The ratio adjacent by opposite is named as cot A, that is cotangent of angle A. With respect to angle A, AB is the adjacent side and BC is the opposite side. Hence, cot A is equal to AB by BC. Observe these ratios. Cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. Secant A is the reciprocal of cos A. And also, cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Hence, we can write as sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A or cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. Cos A is equal to 1 by secant A or secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A or cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. See here, if we take sin A by cos A, we get tan A. Hence tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. If we take cos A by sin A, then we get cot A. Hence cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. We can also define the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle C. In right triangle ABC, since AC is opposite to right angle, AC is the hypotenuse. With respect to angle C, AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. Now we can define the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle C as showing on the screen.